Hi, fourth graders. Today we're going to review the basics of fractions. So what is a fraction? A fraction is an amount less than 1 unit broken into pieces of the same size. So this whole circle will equal 1, but each little piece is less than this whole. They're cut into small pieces. So for this example, we can tell by the 6 that a total of 6 of these dark blue pieces could fit in the circle, and there's only one. This one piece is 1. So 1 out of 6 are showing right now. So think about a pie, and this pie was cut into 6 pieces. Somebody already took one piece out, the dark blue piece. So numerators show the amount of pieces present. So in our last example, we had one piece taken out. So that was one piece present that was taken out. And the 4 tells how many pieces make up one whole, also tells the size of the pieces. So if this number is lower, so if it's only 2 or 3, then those pieces would be way bigger than a pie that had 15 different pieces because it's less. So here are 3 different types of models that we're going to talk about. An area model, and you can see that it looks kind of like a pie or a pizza or a cookie. And then we have a measurement model. So we're breaking maybe a piece of wood apart. This will be a measurement model. And then a set model. So maybe marble. So if you remember when we did probability, if we had 3 black marbles and 1 white, 1 out of 4 were white, or whatever amount is present. So for this example, there are 4 marbles and 1 is white. 1 out of 4 are white, so 1/4 is a fraction. So go ahead and pause this video, and I want you to take out your math notebook and copy this anchor chart. Okay, now that you've had a chance to copy the anchor chart, let's select some of the models and with the correct fraction. So we have the fraction 7/12, and we have 3 different options. Which model represents 7/12? Remember, this will be 12 pieces, the denominator, and then the 7 would show how many pieces are present. So how many pieces are green? So we're looking for the model that has 7 green pieces out of 12. Okay, so the one that's circled red is 7/12. There are 12 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's our denominator. And then only 7 are green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How about this model, 5/9? Now we have a couple of different models that look different. We have an area model and then 2 measurement models. So it's the same concept. We're looking for one that has 9 pieces and 5 are shaded or a different color. Okay, you should have been able to automatically get rid of this area model over here, the circle, because there's only 6 pieces, and according to this fraction, we have 9 pieces. So we're left with either the green, the one in the middle, or this one that's circled. So at this point, we have to look at our numerator, and we're looking for the one that has 5 pieces colored in. This gray model has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, so that will be the fraction 6/9. So I know that is not that one. So then we have the one that's circled, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 9 pieces are colored in, so it's 5/9, the fraction. And then we have 5/10. And we're going to look at, this time, our set model. So which one has 10 pieces or 10 different shapes and 5 are colored a different color? Okay, so 5/10. We have 10 different triangles and 5 are pink, or you can look at the 5 that are white. or gray. So write the fraction that represents this model. Select the best one. Count how many there are total, and that's your bottom number. And then look at how many are shaded, and that's your top number. For that one, you should have got 1/12. There are 12 pieces total, so 12 pieces of pie or pizza, and only one is taken away, or you can think of one is left over. So write this fraction that represents this model. How many pieces total are there? That's your bottom number. Then our top number is how many are shaded. 9/12 is the answer. There are 12 pieces and only 9 of the 12 are blue. So select the model that represents this fraction. Here's our next example. Remember, the 10 signifies how many pieces there are. 2 shows how many are colored in. So we have the one in the middle. There are 10 pieces and only 2 are shaded in. Here's our next example. Write the fraction that represents the model. So we're looking for how many pieces there are and how many are shaded in. Your answer should have been 10/12. All right, so now it's your turn. Go ahead and practice our game and finish your exit ticket.